Hello students, good morning. In today's maths class, we are going to learn pay at the market. So this chapter is tenths and hundreds. We have already learnt about tenths. Now we are going to learn about hundreds. So before going to start at the market, let us have a discussion about rupees and paise. We have already learned these things in class 4, and all of you know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. And we denote this rupees by the symbol RS. RS dot. This is the symbol of rupees. You have already learned these things, and you may have noticed these things in different types of objects. Okay. So let us start at the market in page number 138. In this page, there are some pictures given to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 objects given to you. And the first is egg. Rupees 2.50 for 1 egg. Yani 2 rupees and 50 paise for 1 egg. And the price of that bag is 120 rupees and 50 paise. Yani rupees 120.50. And the price of the pen is 6 rupees and 50 paise, rupees 6.50. And the price of the wall clock is 567 rupees and 25 paise. Similarly, the price of the soap is 8.75 rupees, and the price of matchbox is 0.50 rupees and 50 paise. And the price of the slipper is 32.99 and 32 rupees and 99 paise. So here is a discussion. Look at this funny price, 32 rupees and 99 paise. But if we give rupees 33 rupees, they don't give us back 1 paise. This is only to fool us by showing 1 paisa less. So here's the price of the slipper is 32.99, and the girl said that if we give 33 rupees to the shopkeeper won't give us back rupees 1. Okay, so this is to make fool. Okay, this is to make fool of us. Okay, this is only to fool us by showing 1 paisa less. 1 paisa is 1/100th part of a rupee. Okay, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So 1 paisa is equal to 1/100th part of a rupee, यानी 100 पैसे में से 1 पैसा. तो कितना पार्ट हुआ? 1/100th part. 1/100th part is equal to 1 पैसा. सो 1 रुपये का यानी 1 रुपये की सिक्का जो है उसका 1/100 पार्ट होगा 1 पैसा. ओके, सो वी कैन राइट इट एज 0.01 पैसा. 0.01 पैसा यानी ए. ठीक है. If I had 15 paisa, then I will write as 0.15. If I had 9 paisa, I can write as, मेरे पास अगर 1 पैसा है तो मैं जब इसको रुपीज़ में लिखने जाऊंगा तो लिखूंगा 0.01 रुपीज़. सिमिलरली अगर मेरे पास 15 पैसे हैं तो मैं अगर इसको रुपीज़ में लिखना चाहूँगा तो लिखूँगा 0.15 रुपीज़. सिमिलरली मेरे पास 99 पैसे हैं, अगर मैं इसको रुपये में लिखना चाहूँगा तो लिखूँगा 0.99 रुपीज़. ओके, 1 paisa is 1/100th of a rupee, isn't it? It is written as rupee 0.01. So that is why we write 99 paisa as rupee 0.99. Here are some questions for you. How many paise does a matchbox cost? How many paise, not rupees. A matchbox cost 50 paise. How many matchboxes can be got for rupees 2.50? Yani 2 rupees and 50 paise. You have to find it out. If you face any kind of difficulties, then ask me frequently. How many rupees does the soap cost? The soap costs 8.75 rupees, यानी 8 रुपये 75 पैसे. Okay. Arun wanted to buy a soap. He has a 5 rupee coin. He has a 5 rupee coin, 2 1 rupees coins and 4 half rupees coins. Half rupee coin उसके पास 4 थे. In total, she has 9 rupees. Okay. And the price of the soap is 8.75. Okay. So write in rupees what money he will get back. 9.00 minus 8.75 is equal to 0.25. Okay. So he will get back 0.25 rupees. And egg costs 2.5 rupees. So the price of the egg is 2.50 rupees. How much will 1.5 dozen cost? 1.5 dozen means 18 eggs. So अगर एक एग का प्राइस हुआ 2 रुपये 50 पैसे तो 18 eggs का कितने होंगे? Okay. So Kanan takes 60 rupees, buy 1.5 dozen eggs. You can buy paints with the money left. So Kanan's mother gave him 60 rupees and told her to buy 1.5 dozen of eggs and to buy paints from the remaining. Okay. So Kanan gets 60 rupees. She will first of all he will get to 1.5 dozen eggs. और वो एग खरीदने के बाद जितना पैसा उसका बचेगा उसमें से वो पेन खरीदेगा. ओके. अगर वो एक का प्राइस उसका 45 हो जाता है तो उसके पास बचते हैं 15 पैसे. तो उसमें वो कितना पेन खरीद सकता है. ओके. So in number 6 you have to write it in solve it down in like word problems. Okay. And number 6 the price of 2 pens is 2 पेन का दाम कितना है? The price of 2 pen is 13 rupees because 6.50 for a single pen. Okay, can she buy 2 pens? Obviously she can buy 2 pens. So here is the today's activity. You have to complete these works and send in groups. So thank you and have a nice day.